This presentation is about the workshops and classes by AI for People. In the past, AI for People has created two main events. One being the coding class, an introduction to programming, and the other one being a workshop with lectures on AI topics with hands-on elements. The coding class was for everyone. It was very simple, yet fundamental. And of course, completely free. We tried to keep it fun and educational. Over the course of 4 weeks, we've seen 8 lectures with about 20 participants. They had their weekly assignments. The course was meant for people with some or no programming experience. At the end, the participants were awarded with a course participation certificate. We covered some topics such as the programming paradigms, concepts of machine learning and artificial intelligence. On the other hand, we had a 2-day workshop with lectures on different topics of AI. It was again for everyone, but now, apart from basic, we also included advanced topics. And again, it was completely free, fun, and educational. Here's an overview of some of the basic topics, like hands-on exercise in NLP, or advanced topics, like cultural AI or continual AI. You can see all of those videos from the workshop on our YouTube channel. What is this project about? It's mainly about outreach, education, collaboration, awareness, and also fundraising. How can you get involved? If you want to participate in upcoming workshops or lectures, if your institution or company would like AI for People to present something, or if you would like to give your own lecture on a topic related to AI for People, or maybe you would just like to help organizing a workshop or lecture, then you can join our Slack channels, or you can contact AI applications at aiforpeople.org. You can follow us on social media for updates and news. Who's the main person responsible? Well, that'll be me, Philip Wicker. You can write me on Slack at phil or send me an email at philip.wicker@aiforpeople.org.